Space is an infinite field that is growing even at this moment, so there are endless possibilities. Space is a really amazing and unknown place for all of us, since the only thing we know is what NASA says. Beyond that, we can only have theories. The sounds that have been emitted in space are fully captured by NASA, since they are the only ones with the technology to record at such long distances, or from satellites. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite planet. So get comfortable, turn off the lights, and enjoy the next video. Number 3. I will leave the best for the beginning. The following sound, according to NASA, is the sound emitted by our house, the Earth. It sounds a little strange, but it is very interesting to know how it is heard from another perspective. The sound is due to a very complex electromagnetic phenomenon that I could not explain in detail, so I'd better put the video. Number 2. This is the sound emitted by the planet Jupiter. As we can hear, it is totally different from the one emitted by the Earth, probably because of the very different pressure emitted by this planet. Number 1. Finally, we have the sound of 2 stars that are completely different. The name of the stars, I will be leaving them on screen.